Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this particular video, we are going to be discussing the FX Fish 2MA indicator. Okay, now the FX Fish 2MA indicator is a custom indicator, so you will have to download it from an external site, and after that you will have to add the indicators file to your indicators folder for your MetaTrader platform. And after that, you can relaunch your terminal, and then you go to insert, you go to indicators, you go to custom, and you locate the FX Fish 2MA indicator and allow the DLL imports and add to your chart. Okay, so here we go, right? Now, this indicator is actually a modified version of the Fisher transform indicator. Okay, this indicator utilizes advanced techniques, to transform prices into a Gaussian normal distribution. Okay, so it makes trends more visible and easier to interpret. Okay, now this indicator tries to simplify trend analysis. It allows traders to anticipate market movements with confidence. With the aid of this, crossovers and histogram bars, the indicator attempts to predict precisely the direction of the market price. Okay, it tries to predict the market movement precisely using the aid of both the histogram bars and the crossover between the lines. And as we can see on this indicator, we can see that there is a zero level, right? There is a neutral level, the midpoint, which is the zero level. Now, above the zero level is the positive territory. Below the zero level is the negative territory. Okay, so how do you use this indicator, the FX Fish 2MA indicator, to identify good buy and sell opportunities? First of all, where is the location of the histogram bars with respect to the price? Okay, now when we look at the chart, okay, when we look at the chart, we can see that the price is currently selling, right? The price is currently selling, it's currently going down. Okay, so we look at the indicator and we can see that the indicator is currently in the negative territory. All right, so when you have your histogram bars below the zero level, it shows a bearish trend or a bearish move. When you have the histogram bars above the zero level, it shows a bullish move. Now, how do you get precise entry points? When you are in a buy trend, for example, I'm going to recommend using this indicator in the trending markets. Okay, please focus on the trending markets with this indicator. When you are in a buy trend, watch out for crossovers between this blue line and the red line. So when you have the blue line cross over the red line, that is a buy signal. So we got a buy signal around here, we got another buy signal around here, we got another buy signal around here. So we can see that right after pullbacks, the indicator kept on giving us buy signals. So when you are using this indicator in a trending market, you can be able to catch continuations on time using the FX Fish 2MA indicator. And now, the histogram bars that appear below the zero level, we are just showing mere pullbacks. So the histogram bars that are above the zero level shows the impulse move. The histogram bars above the zero level, that is the blue lines, the blue histogram bars, they are showing impulse moves, right? As you can see, it is when the price is going up that the blue lines appear. On the other hand, the short histogram bars, the orange colored histogram bars below the zero level, are just showing mere pullbacks. All right, and when you have the blue line cross below the red line in the trend, you do not necessarily have to exit. Okay, unless if you are a scalper. If you are a scalper, then when you enter here, you can exit at the site of the pullback when there is a sign of a pullback, or even when the orange colored histogram bar appear, you can exit your sell, your buy rather. And then when you got another bullish crossover, you can enter another buy trade. And when you spot an orange histogram bar, you can exit your buy again. And then when you have another bullish crossover, you can enter another buy trade. That's if you're a scalper, right? But if you're a swing trader, you can just enter your buy and ride the trend till the very end. Okay, you can actually make use of resistant levels to determine your exit points. Okay, or you can just wait for when the indicator enters the negative territory completely. Okay, because in this case it was mostly the histogram bars that we are flipping into the negative side, flip into the negative side for a pullback and flip back into the positive side for an impulse move. But when you have a reversal, right, when you have a complete reversal, we are going to find out that both the histogram bars, the red line, the blue line, are all going to flip into the negative territory. For example, we can see here that right after a consolidation, because we had a consolidation around here, and remember I say it's better to use this indicator in a trending market, okay, because in a consolidating market there might be higher chance of getting false signals. So when you are in a trending market, you're going to see that the indicator is going to be in the direction of that trend. Is mostly going to be in the direction of that trend. In a bullish trend, we're going to find the indicator mostly in the positive territory. In a bearish trend, you're going to find the indicator mostly in the sell territory, in the negative territory. So we can see now that as this consolidation came to an end, we had the formation of lower highs and lower lows has already begun. So at the site of this formation, we can see that the histogram bars have already flipped to the negative territory, and the blue line is already in the negative territory. The red line is already getting into the negative territory as well, compared to when we were here in a bullish trend. You can see that the red line was mostly in the bullish territory. In fact, throughout it was in the bullish territory. The blue line, it was just a few times it dropped into the negative territory, and the histogram bars in negative territory are mostly short bars. But in this case, can you see that we are having longer bars in the negative territory, and we are having the red line entering to negative territory alongside the blue line. So this is a confirmation that a sell trend is beginning. So now we can start looking for sell opportunities in this sell trend. Okay, and how do you get sell opportunities? Precise entry points are when you have a crossover, bearish crossover. When you have the blue line cross below the red line, you can enter a sell. Okay, for example, here you can see then enter a sell, set your stop loss above the swing high, the previous swing high, and then for your take profit, you can decide to use support levels. Yeah, you can actually decide to use support levels for your exits, or you can wait for the blue line to cross above the red line. When the blue line crosses above the red line, you can use that to exit your sell trade. Okay, so whichever exit strategy that you want to use completely depends on you. It completely depends on you. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.